In California, notably the Central Valley, has been experiencing periods of extreme drought over the past decades. Much of this has been caused by the over-extraction of groundwater for use on farming crops. This issue has become more pressing as population increases and demand increases for crops grown on these Central Valley farms. The Colorado River is one of the most important rivers for irrigation water to these farms, but has been drying up as evaporation and temperatures increase due to climate change. Without these sources of surface water to rely on, the groundwater aquifers are even more heavily relied on. Over the past decade, California has experienced severe drought due to over-extraction of these groundwater resources, and it has caused the farmlands to subside as their aquifers shrink. This poses a disaster for farmers. 90% of the crops in California rely solely on irrigated water, not rainfall. Another problem mounted on top is the need for even more water for crops as temperatures rise and transpiration will increase for plants to keep cool. These problems facing California could decimate the agricultural sector and water resources in California. To combat the possible water shortage and drought caused by crop reduction is to place limits on groundwater extraction. Another solution may be to switch over to crops that require less water, which is sometimes why so much water for irrigation is required. Crops like almonds, grapes, and cotton require lots of water. If these crops continued to be cultivated in California, farmers need to decrease the volume of crops.